Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a video on TikTok. So TikTok actually has no edit option within the app to crop a video, so you're going to use another app. This method should work on both Android and iOS devices. So the app I'm talking about is just go to your App Store or Play Store and search CapCut. So this is the app called Video Editor. So if you have not downloaded it, just click on Download and wait for it to be downloaded. Once you have downloaded the app, just click on Open and click on this new project right here. So you will be asked to choose a video photo, live photos, but let's just focus on videos since we are going to crop a video. So just select the video that you want to crop and post on TikTok. I'm going to select one right here and just click on the Add button at the bottom right corner. At the bottom. So let's scroll to the left and you'll see more options until this Edit button right here. So click on Edit and you will see a crop option. So that is what we are looking for. Just click on Crop and drag the edges or the corner of this button right here or this tool. And that is how you can basically crop the video. And you can also select many sizes at the bottom right here to automatically crop it according to the size that is stated. For example, I'm going to cut it. Write that in the 4:3 ratio. After you have set it up, just click on the check mark at the bottom right corner right here. Just click on that. Now, if you have finalized your video and cropped it out, let's just go ahead and save the video or export it by clicking on this arrow up button at the top right corner. Click on that and wait for it to be exported. Also, make sure that you are keeping the Capture app open and don't lock your screen, or it will interrupt the saving of your video. Now that our video has been exported, it should say Ready to Share right here, and you can also immediately share it to TikTok with this button. So let's just click on that. And that is how you can crop a video on TikTok. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.